Good morning, folks. Welcome back. This is going to be probably an ongoing project. I'm not going to get in a real big hurry. This is an old Magic Chef quick meal stove. There's your 4-burner system. The grate here was damaged, and I don't know if anybody can weld these old pieces of cast iron back together or not. This side's still in good shape. And just got the tray underneath. It's in good shape. Just got to clean it up real good. And then of course the oven door. I'm going to need to repair the pin right there. But there's your oven. And it looks like there's a door at the bottom, but it's not wanting to open, so I don't know if it has anything to do with it being sitting on the furniture dolly or not. This is your main valve, and then your burner valves, and they all seem to be in working order. But it's an old propane cook stove, and the outside of it's fantastic. It just needs good cleaning, good testing. I do need to make some repairs on 2 of the legs that had gotten broken, I guess, over time. But it came out of, I guess, a hunter's cabin up in Illinois. And I think this is going to clean up really nice. If I can get it to actually work and get the repairs done that need to be done on it, I think we're going to try to use it. Be kind of neat. Yeah. My cousin brought this to me. And we had a fun time getting it on the furniture dollies. That's putting it mildly. And of course, I hear there's some companies out there that you can send your parts in and they'll replate them. So I'd like to do that. That's the vent down there. Have that redone. All the handles are there. Everything seems to be in cosmetically functioning. I guess that's a warmer. I don't know if that's for a warmer or not really sure yet. And then that one, that apparently doesn't open. I haven't been able to get it to open anyway. And like I was saying, I'm probably repeating myself, but it may be because it's sitting on that dolly and maybe in a bind or something. But I'm going to see about cleaning all that up and then redoing the insides of it. Probably use some high heat stove paint. Of course, I'm going to research that first because I sure don't want to cause the kitchen to smell because of stove paint or something like that. Let me maneuver this car jack back inside here. Yeah. Excuse the mess. Like I said, I got lots of projects and I need to get busy. Of course, when it gets colder out, that's when I'll really start cranking them out. But anyway, I'll work on this winter. Like I said, I've got plenty of time because it's going to be a while before we actually get a cabin. But I would love to be able to use this again. Anyhow, just thought I'd share this with you. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll catch you on the next video.